What's up, fam? It's Sarah
and Kara,
and this week we are cleaning out our water features. So we were lazy this year and did not get a net on time, and we do run these water features year round. So this is the kind of stuff that you have to do if you want your pond to be functional throughout the winter. So Kara's just running through here. She is pulling leaves out of the stream. When you have too many leaves that fall into your waterfalls and streams, that can create a back pressure with the water flow, so your flow is not going to be as nice. That can also lead to leaks though. When you have too much hydraulic pressure going backwards from the leaves, that can push the water out of the liner and make you look like you have a leak when you probably really don't. The other thing you need to keep an eye on is the leaves that collect in and around the skimmer box. As you can see, when we were lazy and did not put our net on, we had a lot of leaves building up, and that was preventing water from getting to our pump. So then you also do need to keep in mind that your filters are going to still need regular cleaning, your skimmer nets are going to need emptied, so that is what Kara is doing right here. Some people do remove their filters for the winter so that this doesn't happen, but we leave ours in so it can protect the pump. So those are all nice and clean now. We'll put those back in, make sure that they're set right in place. And then these nice skimmer boxes here do have a lid you can close so that the water drains out of the box and you don't have to freeze your hands, because today was very cold. So we have turned our water off for the year already, so Kara's going to get some aggression out by smacking our filter media on that tree there. This is a great way to kind of clean your filters temporarily if you do not have access to water, and you'll probably just have to do this more regularly because you're not doing a full thorough clean. Put that bad boy back in there, and here's the big reveal. The pump is covered in leaves. So you need to clean that off, get that nice and clear, and then your flow should be a lot better than it was before.
So if nothing that Kara just did looked like a good time to you, a couple things you might want to consider. Get a net over your pond early, like end of September, to try to catch all these leaves before they fall. You could also just turn the whole system off so that you don't have to worry about cleaning out the streams and making sure everything's running properly. And if you live in the northeastern Ohio area and you do want to continue running your pond year round, we do offer a winter management program so that our team can come out and do that awful stuff for you, and you can just enjoy your pond. Make sure you join us next week for another Watergarden Wednesday. As always, hit those like and follow buttons, and if you have anything you'd like us to talk about, leave a comment. Have a good one.